How much do you know about your health insurance plan? If you are a small business owner, chances are you're spending thousands of dollars to keep your employees insured. Last week, President Biden signed the Inflation Reduction Act into law. There is a lot in the act of legislation. One thing we haven't talked about is the part of the bill that allows businesses to opt for individual health insurance plans instead of group plans. That means business owners can potentially save millions of dollars on insurance premiums. And joining me this morning to talk a little more about how this new Inflation Reduction Act will help small business owners, particularly, and nonprofits, John Staub. He's the Director of Outreach for Remodel Health. John, first of all, thanks for coming on and talking with us about this.
Yeah, grateful to be here.
Now, this act was huge, but there are 26 lines in it that specifically kind of point to what we're talking about here. Explain that.
Yeah. So out of 755 pages, 26 lines very specifically talk about health insurance.
Now, how will this help small business owners and what they need to do?
So this piece of the legislation is the most recent in helping individual health insurance plans to be more accessible. And so when health insurance plans, individual plans are more accessible, small businesses, nonprofits can take advantage of that.
How will this help the employee then?
Yeah, so when we look at the legislation pieces on individual plans over the past decade, we've seen a continual economic improvement on those plans. So plans get cheaper, which then means employers can provide cheaper plans to their team, so either the employee's paying less or the organization's paying less, so that's a very good thing.
Employees win in this case.
Employees win big time.
Their employment don't have to continue to increase costs on their paychecks as well, too.
Yeah. You know, the way to be able to help employees is not just lowering the cost of their insurance, but if you can lower it enough, employers can actually increase the pay and help make sure and fight against that inflation.
Okay, that makes sense. What happens now? What happens next? What are the steps?
Yeah, employers need to make sure and look beyond the traditional way of delivering health benefits to their teams. We've been doing it for too many decades, too long. Costs are going up. There's a new way of providing individual health insurance instead to teams that can save big on those costs.
And if folks have questions, who should they reach out to? Because a lot of the language can be hard to understand.
It's very difficult to understand for sure. You know, we are an Indianapolis tech company. We'd love to help. RemodelHealth.com is a great way to start.
All right, John Staub, Director of Outreach for Remodel Health. Thanks for coming on and talking about this morning. I really do appreciate it. If you'd like more information about how employers can benefit from this law, head to fox59.com.